na eno so yetimi edi etwa nano yes
papa so ho ye
papa yes ni mama so ho ye nana momo ahene so ye
nana ho ye
PV so ofa PV
ofa nra man tin nka de ba me sure say no pay
all right tie fo nyina ne
good
yes Sergeant
ye ne Nkum no commander Nkum
yes
e na mpese ubo no tofa maye se brofo no
kan
enti no
yes
ubo no tofa maye ne na fe
Sir commander mamin fa the major areas no
okay
mamin shall see him feel last question no ubusa ne say eye no kwasam say prison 40 mi pie e bi di bone esa akọ oyi ano no ma oti ase say enuti no ho prison ni bia ntimi mpie me di bone nsa anko
okay
o kan say wie no o sa de so say no kwasam say prison phone bi o ho a o mu pie be ye adwuma
yes
nemom ne no ya na enhyehyɛ da ho Sir John the omu ne say prison ni a eno wentimi afa nkan o but enhyehyɛ ne say prison ni a was serve 1/3 of his criminal offense conviction no say bia boni a odi ye nti eno ye ne koto enedua fie kese pa na ewo mu no watimi asom onedua fie ho afi we show say sebi wo ye nipa papa ana onya papa wo be ye sankrofo no de etimi de omo ba bonten mo be ye adwuma because ya na hali basa ka omo sankrofo no kwasem ne say according to commander ebi mo ko mutimi kofa niema enye se contraband goods no ye ka wi ye ka cocaine ye ka eniema ye ntimi mfa nwura prison ho etimi de ba nemom so omo de ba na so omo so mu a eno so omo de omo fa saa emra kwan so
any officer
no so be boa sankrofo no ana so no kwa kofa saa de no de abre prison for no se omo officer kro omo nsa so mu no ana omo sa be so mu no eno so omo de omo fa emra kwan so enti ye meti for nti ase prison penipa ono wasante mantima ena oni din ko mi se bi o ha me
ye na busa ne se kwan be no mo fa so a wo mo de inmates ni bi ba bonten be ye adwuma em se ho na wa chichiri mu ne ado but no ka se phones ne de no o se o mo ye search brano o mo ye search
yes
o mo konso o mo nya phones ne bi gigi na je se nkrofo ena e bia eboa mom nsaka
mobile phones
nti no eno so o se no creba do mo ya o mo koso ahwehwe but eno so no o kasi so se officer bi ehu wo mu a o mo chi officer na so ema o kasi bi o kro mu yinedi
okay
ebi won so aye asotwe no mo de ma se de be ya amanfo so be hwe afoforo be hwe na o masua ho ade si all in all no that is how it is but mama you take on this issue in general
em say na papa pentemti yentim na ndi komo anko achipi me read kakra tamo na on ndi komo na me ye readings kakra about the prison service and some of the things and anima no bia obetimi ai na omuntimi nye na me so interested about the phones ne de no de me kan ye no kire me say mobile phone say prison ni ankasa won phone a odi di dwuma e wo prison ho ne de da bi emra ma ho kwan nemom no ye ma prison for no kwan mo use phones a eye monitored I kire say wo fa phone no e ya ban dia ebi a e wo say wo fra busuani bi e wo say wo fra wadamfo bi so wo kasa prison warder agent ho and as a prison officer agent ho so those days are not Ghana Telecom for no we in year adwuma no that's community, if let me put it that way, community phone you know so they say year adwuma no ne bi kura wo ho a boot yes boot wo ho a eno na ye monitored enti komo bi a wudi bia no ya dey say prison officers no and I say almost TB so they say ndisa akonya no de na e wo ho na nka owo time wa nka mesi ebusa no says omo da so use that system now and I say be as they say no say inmate person of frebusuani and I say be of friend adamfo a mobile phone ye de man. I
think say betima come to look at all this things. Say they were also extend invitation
yes but having said all this ma yentias here say contract killing any those kind of soliciting and in stabia prison you no prisoner otimi contract will be ma
your
friend instigator and a solicitor and I be a instigator or solicitor. Sir John, those things, you know, and yet, idea, it being see, we are say, normal. Sir John, when in Papa be a near friend of Joachim Guzman.
Okay.
The deeper would they be kind El Chapo.
What can I say?
Yes, Sinanwa cattle no. Mexico. This is making or no order America for extraditing or America or several prison there. On an edano. Okay, Pablo Escobar. Yes, Sir John. Idiot na mebos and crufo we mudi. One no ye chom go to prisoner. Not they were still they are known for that time. Or that prison no. Na utimi yes deals no contract killings no or contracted the guys the gangs emomusu kudi bone whilst in prison.
Okay.
But Sir John, America for no year. Together with the Mexican, we are from DEA for no year investigations no. It wasn't only about phones that no we used to so that's it. Even some of the prison warders no we use almost a channel of communication. A promises kakasi pa channel of communication to their gangs outsider no musutimi ekoye sade no. Say John betimi esi because baby a way asasi so a way enye perfect. The social scientists will tell you say human beings are unpredictable. Not just say o say John awutui JB otui mitimi hwe oni man ka say the next moment we na wo be ye Akoma FM even say me musuban kra no a obetimi a disappointed and I say ebetimi aba say dear me susu say obetimi a ye based on ebi a observation ebi edru ha onye. So social scientists no be catch say human beings are unpredictable. Say John sebi osran him the perfect place. At a point in time, Lucifer anka or say niema emie to ni free ho. So they say sanctify osran him. How much more asasi so a nyankopon bo ne soro ne asase to Lucifer beto asasi so no osaka kire say yinyi na otwiase no ye de neighbor. So these things are bound to happen. Sanima we know enye new. But a kwan a ye be fa so ana measure say dey begu akwan mu a ye be prevent recurrence no. And as I say ACC bio no.
Yeah.
Eno ne ade pa ehia.
Very important.
So say prison ni a war contract obi e wa bonten amokuku obi no. For all you know,
from your commander,
yes,
the commander can say enunti eno. So it means that possible. That's why they are
absolutely
there to prevent it.
Yeah. Oh, there, me security expert. Okay, but in your security expert, be a or ye crime watcher. What follow that trajectory? So there's and I say what follow happenings in the prison yard and the outside world now. Or their outside world now. For all you know, na ebia wiki bia krebiti misi. For all you know, that is not to say a fact, no. But they can you should disclaimer say ebia. So Sir John, for me, some books I read, documentaries I read based on real incidents, see, you know. Sanyama we no nya dia but you see I knew because of the person involved and they or your queen mother and maybe for the first time drop it in the public domain I receive so much attention. So that's it. But so come because nipa na ho what they see Sir John ya
ono na kodi ho
yes
nti oba
yes
oba no wanya
na say prison ho no yes inmates no san matete bidim say no credit Yes, say inmates no be kura no leaders.
Oh yeah. Come to that level yes. Omo nya access to nyama bia wunya.
Yes, omo omo sumo.
Yes, omo bed. Omo no nya ba bi da.
Absolutely.
Ti wo ba kura no e tro say wo.
Yes. And they are so influential.
Yes. Wo na be serve me.
Yes.
Wabe and especially say we obi a public figure na alcohol.
Yes.
Ha de waba ha no we need to me be away so ha.
Yes.
Yen imperifo fia.
Yes.
Ti waba no so.
And I'm also learning say sankrofos no here no iska wo mo pa. So eti obetimi influence warder ama warder no akoye de opese wo ye.
Okay.
Communication bi a also the kwa bonten no.
Right.
Normal.
Enti I am also reading about the El Chapo.
Yes.
El Chapo.
Yes.
I see.
Yes. Joaquin Guzman.
Guzman.
Yes.